Talk to y'all about another topic today. Today I got a lot of shit on my mind. I just want to get it off my mind and see what y'all think. Now I'm looking down at the camera because I'm using my phone and shit. I don't got no other way to record or be, so I don't want to hold the damn phone. But anyway, so look, what do y'all think about studs having babies? I mean, what do y'all really think about that, man? Because we are human, and we do want children. I mean, if your woman can't give it to you, who you gonna get it from besides yourself? I'm gonna put it like this right here. When I was younger, I would have never, ever, ever said I would have a baby. But now I'm grown, got my grown man on, I'm doing grown man things, I'm handling business, I'm married. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got my ring on. Don't tell my wife she kick my ass, but I ain't got it on. But anyway, so, ooh, it's a fine bug. But anyway, what I'm saying is this. If you want to have a baby and you don't want to have a baby with some hoe on the street because your wife can't have kids or because your wife don't want no more kids and she has kids or whatever the situation may be, my whole point is, yeah, you're going to feel fucked up walking around town looking pregnant and all big and bloated and shit, but who can give you that baby? Who can give you a baby that won't get taken away? Answer that question for me. That's all you got to do is answer that question. Because we are women, our time is ticking, and it does something inside you say, oh man, I want to have a baby. Yeah, I want me a little rugrat. I want me a little nigga running around, you know what I'm saying? Whether it be a female or a male. I'd rather have a boy, but you know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm going to take what I can get. My whole thing is, it's hot as motherfucking here. My whole thing is, though, this. If you want that baby, and you the one who got to have it because your wife can't have it or because you single, have you a baby, man. Don't give a fuck about what nobody say. Have that baby. Do you. 9 months is quick, fly by. You'll be back to who you really are. And I'm a stud to the heart. I don't sleep with men. But shit, if I got to hit up the sperm bank, find me a donor, whatever it may be, it's going to happen. So I'm going to have me one. And pretty much, there ain't nothing nobody can say about it, yo. And I'm out. Holla at you the one.